The third event has finally arrived for the Dyls invites. Today, Block Duelling has made it back on the docket for the third event of the series. You know how it's 2 teams go at a time, go down this ramp, and the goal is to push the blocks on your opponent's side. It's a good event. Everyone loves it. Who will win? Let's find out. And you see the standings right now. Cheese Boys are in the lead from the Sapphires, Roger Rollers and Zebras. Primers are in 5th, so that's good. Stargazers are in 10th, which I don't think they want to be there any further. And they want to climb up, so yeah. But here goes the first heat. The Sapphires and Team Silver were here, and the second game has released them. And you see, oh, Team Silver. Oh, that's gonna give the win to Sapphires. What did Team Silver do? Oh no, hopefully that doesn't put them in a bad spot. That's going to be well down the order for that. But now, Zebras versus Seahorses we hear. I'm off. All Seahorses are in the lead. Ah. Wait, no, Zebras came back. And they will get the win. Whoa, Zebras have been doing well recently. Don't know why. Yeah, I guess the coach doesn't want to be fired. And now, the Growlers and Milky Ways. Growlers dominated trials, so they know what to do. No, that's going to be the Growlers, so looks like Growlers still have the energy from the trials, so I guess Milky Ways just never had it in them. I mean, Milky Ways are mid-pack, so I don't think it will hurt them that much, but championship credentials are on the line. Next up, Nightcrawlers. And the host and the championship leaders, Cheese Balls. I hear 2 marbles are already off the course. Oh, it's way more tighter than usual. No. Nightcrawlers have tried. But that is all going to be the Cheese Balls. So the hosts are still at it. And you see in the bottom half there. You see Seahorses. So far, they will be placing 9th. So, but now we've got the Wojo Rollers and the Primers. Oh, this is going to be a great heat. But so far, the Wojo Rollers are dominating. Oh yeah, the Primers are. Oh yeah. You saw that coming. So the Wojo Rollers are moving on. Another top 8. Where is this luck coming from them, huh? Huh. I guess they're just trying to prove to themselves that they are a good team. Just not last moment standings. Next up, Sky Forces and Flame Shows. 2 teams who just all they want to see is a great finish. Well, Flame Show was, I guess the only goal was just to charge, but yeah, I don't think that worked out for them, so. But hey, Sky Forces, well done, they are moving on. Should I be proud of them? It's questionable, yeah, it's questionable. Not a huge Flame Show's fan, but you know, you get that. Earths and Shining Swarm. Level the 12th in Stanley's. Don't know why these two are fighting against each other. But Shining Swarm. Earths. Well, they just learned it the hard way. Shining Swarm are moving on, even though they don't deserve to be moving on. You can't really do anything about it. Now, the Futurizers and the Stargazers. These two have a good historic crime between them. I think all Stargazers have the upper hand. And the Stargazers, they will beat the Futurizers, who will go 12th in this event. Holy moly, the Stargazers have moved on. Round of applause to them. Now, Rojo Rollers and Zebras for the first semi-final. So we'll go to the top 4 again. Is it the Rojo Rollers or the Zebras? Oh, it looks like a tight battle so far. No! That's definitely going to be a Zebra victory. Let's see what placement the Rojo Rollers will get after this one. Growlers, Skyforce. Skyforce, they won another medal. Growlers though want to continue their trial success. And they are! Skyforce tried, but yeah, it's not going to be close. I mean, it is going to be close, but not too close. Growlers, they are happy just to move on. Skyforce will be best of the West right now. It's Sapphires and Shining Swarm. Or Shining Swarm, I mean. Great, let's see how well this will go. I'm having a little bit of difficulties there. Oh, Shining Swarm are in the lead. And they have just beaten the Sapphires. Who gave them permission to do that? I didn't. Where's this success coming from? I mean, the Sapphires stunned after that. You freaking beaten by a terrible team. Cheese balls and Stargazers now. Can the Stargazers continue their success? Oh, they almost got it. They almost got it. But the cheese balls have done enough to barely move on. But the Stargazers we hear will get another 5th place. That's 2 5th places in a row. Probably not what they wanted us to this event, but you know, it's a good finish. Now, Shining Swarm and Zebras, who will get another podium. Oh my god, it's a Shining Swarm! The Shining Swarm have gotten a medal. Don't know what medal will be, but it's a medal. How can this team get a medal? The whole stadium is shocked. Because you were not expecting that team to get a podium. And now the Cheese Balls will versus the Growlers. Who else will go? Cheese Balls. We here have to allocate first, but Growlers and oh, it looks like a tight game right now. And no, the Growlers will move on. The Zemi Zebras do have a 75% chance of putting me here, but the Cheese Balls, the host and the leaders, I don't think they'll take that away. What? Oh wait! Oh, they're in the lead. No, the Zebras will take it. 2 medals in a row. I think they will take that for themselves. But now, can the Shining Swarm will they get a podium or will it be the Growlers? I think we all know that question. But we know how pretty the shiny them are. And they start in the lead. And they have done it. They have gotten the gold somehow. And they are the podium finishers. The Shiny Swarm, I don't know how they did it, but they have got it in the gold. Zebras and Growlers will get the silver, Zebras the bronze, and that was Block Dueling, a great event. Hopefully it comes back in the future. And we will see you again for event number 4 of the tournament. This is going to be a great season. And a great tournament. See you then, everyone. Let's see who will win the first season of the Duel Invites.